Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll see how to create a calendar in Adobe Illustrator. So we'll be creating this A3 portrait calendar that you can see in here, and as you can see it looks really good. So we'll see how to gonna do that and how we're gonna make it ready for print. And also I already uploaded a video that you can see in here showing how to create a calendar in Adobe InDesign. If you didn't see this video or you want to see how you're gonna do it in Adobe InDesign, just press open, or just check the link from the description below. Alright, fantastic, so let's get to it. Alright, now before we're gonna start creating our calendar, make sure to download the font I used for this tutorial. You will find this link in the description below, so just open it and press download. I also used a vector image from freepik.com, so just open it and browse in their site. They have some really great vector image that you can use for this calendar. Otherwise, if you want to use the same image I use, so just go down and you will find this in here. Just one click and press download. But before you use it, make sure to read their term of use and their license. I also download a calendar 2016 template as a reference. Alright, now so go and open your Adobe Illustrator. So go to File, New, and for the size in here I put A3 size, and I add a little bit of bleed, so I just put 0.125 inch for bleed. And in the orientation in here, make sure it's portrait, and in advance in here, make sure it's CMYK on 300, and just press OK. Alright, so this, as you can see, this is the bleed in here. This is the red rectangle outside, that's the bleed. Now we need to add a margin inside our document. So we want to add a 0.25 inch margin. So let's first create a rectangle that will allow us to measure it perfectly. So we just one click and choose 0.25 inch for the width and 0.25 inch for the height, and press OK. And I will just uncheck stroke, and I will make it in black. Now I will take this rectangle and I will place it in the top left corner in here, like so. Now I can easily go and add a guide in here and another guide in there. If you didn't see the rulers in your Illustrator, just press Ctrl R and it will appear. So now I just add one guide in here and another in here. And I will take the same rectangle and I will place it in the bottom right corner. And I would add a guide like so, and another one like that, and I will just delete this rectangle. Now if you want to add a rectangle like this as it's shown in the bleed, we can easily do that. So we just go to the rectangle again, and just make a rectangle from here like that, and I will just uncheck the fill. I will make it stroke like so, and I will just right click to it, and I will choose make guides, and this will create as a guide. So now we can go and delete these guides in here. Let me first unlock the guides and just delete this one and this one in here. And as you can see, we have it inside our document. Let me just go and lock it again. Alright, now we're gonna add a white rectangle as a background. So we go to the rectangle in here and add from the bleed till like that, and I will just fill it in white, and then we'll unlock it by pressing Ctrl 2 on your keyboard. Alright, now I will go and make a new layer, and I will call this calendar, and I will go to text, and I'll just one click and drag, and I will start typing the days of the week. But first I will need to make it in center, so we go and choose align center, and I will choose the same font that we just downloaded. So we go and choose Matlit Berkey in here, and I will make the size for like 16 points, and I will start typing. So we'll type Monday, just the first 3 letters, and then press enter, and again Tuesday, and make sure like to press enter in each day, and Wednesday, enter, and in the last one make sure to press enter again. And now we'll go to type and choose area type option, and this window will pop up. Now I will go and check preview, and I will adjust the width and height for this text. So we'll go and put 2.5 inch for the width and 2.5 inch for the height, and as you can see it will make it as a square. Now I will add 7 number rows on 7 columns, as you can see, and I will adjust the color, so we'll put 0.079 inch for the color and 0.079 inch in same color in here, and I will go to the inset spacing, and I will put 0.039 inch for the spacing, and I will press OK, and as you can see this will align it perfectly in here. Now I will go and add the number of the week, so we'll go and double click to it, and I will press enter and press 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, and I will keep going like that. And there we go, we have it a 31 day in here, as you can see. Now I will go and double click to this first row in here, and I will make it a little bit bigger, so we'll put 20 points maybe, like so. And I will go and one click to character in here, and I will just make it go down a little bit, so we'll just press maybe -5 points in here, and I will do the same for the days. Go to character again, and I will make it down a little bit, maybe -5 points. Here we go. Now if you want to add a grid to your calendar, you can easily do that, so just go to the lines in here and choose grid tool, and just one click, and the grid tool option will pop up, and just put 6 number for the horizontal and 6 for the vertical, and press OK, and just go and place it until it snap with the text like that. And if you want to add the colors to it, so just go to stroke and put black, and just adjust with the point in here to 0.5 or whatever you want. But I won't do that because I don't want it to be in all grid in here. I just want this line in here, so I can just go and delete the rest. Let me first go and take the weeks in here and put it in here, and I will just go and choose this white direct selection in here, and I will just delete this first and delete this in here, and I will take it back until it snaps like so. As you can see, this will create this line under the week in here, and I'll go and I will make this into a gray color, so we'll just put this gray in here. Alright, now we're ready to add the month on the top, so we'll go and choose text again, and just one click and drag again. Alright, and just double click to it, so we'll type my text, so we type January, and I will make it a little bit bigger, maybe 28 or 30 points, and there we go, we have it on the top of our first month in here. Now I will go and bring my reference in here, so we go and open it, just put it in here, and as you can see, in January the day will start on Friday, so we can easily go and edit that. So we can just go and double click to it, and by pressing enter I can go and will make it go to Friday. Or let's say it's gonna start with in Wednesday, I can easily go and by pressing the backspace in here I can make it start with Wednesday. And this is how we're gonna edit all the month. Alright, now I will go and select the whole thing, and I will go and place it into our margin in here, like so, and I will go and duplicate it by pressing Alt, and I will just click and drag until it snaps like that. Now if I press Shift, it will make it jump one row in here. So we just by pressing Shift in my right key in here, and one click and another click like that. And I will do the same for these two in here. I will go and duplicate them. So by pressing Alt, I will duplicate both of them, and again by pressing Shift on with my right key in here, just make it jump two row. Alright, now I will go and select the whole thing, and then make it in center, and I will make it a little bit bigger so it will snap with the margin. Alright, now I will go and duplicate this 4 months in here. So I will just again by pressing Alt, I will make it in the bottom in here, and again by pressing Alt, and there we go, we have our 12 month. Now I will go and select the whole thing, and I will make it in the bottom in here till it snap with the margin. Alright, so we have our 12 month again, like so. Now I can easily go and edit every month in here. So we'll start with the month, so we'll go and type February, and again March, and we go, we have our month in here. Now I will go and start editing the days, so I will show you how to do that. So if you can see February, it starts in Monday, so I can go and double click to it, and by pressing the backspace in here, it will edit it to Monday. And I will just go and delete these 2 days in here, and in here it will start on Tuesday. So we just double click again, and again by pressing the backspace, it will start on Tuesday. So we'll keep doing that. I will fast this video a little bit. And there you go. So now we have it matched the same calendar that we downloaded. So we just go and delete it. Alright, so we're almost done. So now I will go and open the image that we will download to use. So we go and open it, the AI file in here, and I will go and select everything, and I will take it and open it in here. We'll make it a little bit smaller, like so, and I will just replace it in the center like that. You can go to the alignment in here and just replace like so, and I will make it a little bit bigger. Alright, something like so. Okay, so we go and take this and make it in the top in here. Alright, now I will type 2016 in here. So we'll go to text and one click and type 2016. That will make it a little bit bigger, maybe 180 point. and I will change it to skinny, and I will just rotate it a little bit. We'll place it in here like so. Alright, and I will change the color to this light gray in here. And there we go, we have our calendar. Now we can easily go and save it for print. So we go to File, Save As, and I will choose in here Adobe PDF and press Save, or just name it. Name it Calendar and press Save. This Adobe PDF setting will pop up. So go to the presets in here and choose 2008 PDF, and go to the marks and bleed and choose trim marks, and in here just check use document bleed setting, because we already have our own bleed setting. So we just check that and press Save, and there we go, we have it ready for print. Now if I go to our file, I will have it in here saved as PDF and ready for print. As you can see, it looks really good and ready to go. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed and you liked this tutorial and it was a little bit helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and wait for more tutorials to come, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.